What's up? How y'all doing? My name Ancient Bricks. Yeah, I got my package in the mail. The shit I've been waiting for. It ain't the other hats, but you know what I'm saying. My windbreaker, color block and shit like that from 6pm.com. But yeah, I'm about to open it and unbox it. Pretty nice things. Gotta go ahead and do it. It's hot outside, but I ain't gonna wear that bitch today. But you know what I'm saying. This is what I got in the mail. Smells good. See this polo. We'll be unboxing it. Big and tall. Smells good. Smells fresh. Not used. See, Ralph Lauren. See the tags, the pinstripes on it right here. Fit my head to the front. Got a nice repellent jacket on. Should take my keys off. This is what it cracked open. Polo under my polo. Feels great on me. Put my hands in my pockets with the zip down pockets right here. With the white horse and stuff like that. You don't understand me. See you from the back. Nice little jacket. Polo though. It's Ralph Lauren, white horse. But yeah, I'm out of here, Nice doing this little review. It ain't a review for it, but it's just unboxing. Straight up. But yeah, you already get the biz.